Good morning and welcome to the Barefoot Farmstead. We are on day 4 of doing one small project every day for 7 days to make the farm more efficient and to help improve it. Let's get after it. So today's project is not necessarily to improve efficiency, but it is to improve the farm, and that is planting trees. This is a great time to come to our tool wall that we made on day 2. I'm pretty sure it was day 2. And grab a shovel, because we know exactly where it's at. T-post pounder. Whoa. They're kind of heavy. And then we're also going to need some of that wire, and you'll see why later on. Put this right here so I don't crush the trees. There. Perfect. We're going to need that trailer later. We'll come back for it. We need to take this down and move it to the next paddock. That seems like a future Zachary problem. Ashley already came out here and marked the spots that she wants them. We don't want it like a traditional orchard like that, where it's just row upon row of trees. We kind of want them scattered throughout the pasture. First things first, pull these out. They're wrapped in plastic. Technically, they're coated in wood chips, wood shavings, then wrapped in plastic to keep the roots moist. Today we're planting a cherry and a nectarine. We're planting the nectarine first, so that one. I like to get my tree here, and as you can see, this is the root ball, the root section, and then it's got the trunk, and then right here is where they grafted this variety to this rootstock. They do that for a variety of reasons. I won't get into that today. Maybe that'll be another video. Let me know in the comments if that's something you want to hear about and see. Anyway, so this is the graft. I like to point the graft towards the prevailing winds, and then also in our area, it's away from where the sun, because the tree wants to grow towards the sun. So I'm going to angle it a little bit towards the northwest. See where my root ball is going to be and kind of mark that out in the hole, so that when I dig this out, I don't have to dig too big of a hole, but I'm also not digging too small of a hole. Should be good. Let's check it. You can kind of see right here where it goes light tan to the dark tan. That's where it was in the ground before they pulled it. I like to go right above that. I don't want to go way up here, and I don't want to show any of this. So kind of right in this area. It's kind of dealer's choice. When you dig a hole, you make smooth walls as you're digging. You wouldn't think about it, but the roots actually have a hard time going through that. So if you take your shovel and you just kind of break it up a little bit, it helps those roots. I also dig the hole a little bit deeper than it needs to be. That way we can take some of this compost here, dump it in there in the bottom. Then as I put my tree in there, I can dump all that good compost in there that we've made. That way the roots have some microbes and good things to feed on. Then you just fill in the hole, kind of stomp it in, and then pull up just a little bit. Kind of see right there, we're a little bit low. The tree's a little low. So we're just going to move some of this dirt away, make a little berm, and that's perfect, because see right there, that's where that our light brown skin is. So we want gonna cover up that right about there. Oh, now that we're all done planting the tree, we need to water it. You gotta get moisture all the way down to those roots. It helps get some of the air pockets out and really soak those roots and give them a really good start. So we're gonna use day 3's tip. Turn the hose on. Here's the hose. Not just pour nice and slow. It's gonna find some holes, it's gonna find some cracks, and it's gonna go down, down, down. So whether you're planting a bare root tree or a potted tree or a shrub or a bush, always water them in. Well, that's it for planting. Next, we gotta protect these from the sheep because they will eat the limbs, they will eat the bark. So let's get after that right now. Now I can go through, pound all my T-posts to the proper height, and then I can put my fencing up. Now we just need to get the fencing. Should be 6 times 4 walls, 24, but we'll see. So if we cut 25 feet, I think it'll be good. Of course, it probably won't be because it's, you know, farming. I told you I need the trailer. We're gonna put the fence back there. I think I'm gonna have to pull this. All right, well, that was easy. The hard part's gonna be dragging it all the way out there. Ow. And kick, 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 kick. There's 24 and 25. Cut, cut. Hi, bud. Working.
What are you working on?
What kind of work am I doing? I'm putting a fence around the trees so that the sheep don't eat them. Ah, orange juice. You brought me orange juice?
Yeah, we made it. Just a couple.
This is the best thing about living on a farm. Fresh orange juice. You just made it? Wait, how come I get the small one and not a big one?
You brought us complaints. It was Liam's idea.
It was Liam's idea?
Well, tell us the one that got the cups. Because
Mm.
there's only 3 big cups, and there's a lot of small cups.
Copy.
Yeah, so we both choose it.
Delicious. You guys going to the tree house?
Yeah.
All right, thank you. I love my kids. Where were we? Oh yeah, we got to put this up. I'm gonna start right here. I got my wire. I like to double it up because if you don't, when you twist it, it'll actually break. Right here to hold it down and against that. Twist. We're gonna pull the fence as tight as we can get it. All right, so that's it built. It's a nice sturdy fence to keep the sheep out of there, keep the trees protected. That was day 4 of doing one project every day for 7 days to improve things. This kind of was twofold. We improved with the tree more efficient because I don't have to replant trees every year because the sheep ate them. I'm keeping them out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video if you got some good content out of it. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see some more. And stay tuned tomorrow for number 5. I am?
No.
Oh, the fence is going to be perfect.
This is going to be perfect. They're not going to be able to get through here.
I'm not perfect. The fence. Hey, but wait, I built the fence, so does that mean I'm perfect? Or I have the perfect ability to do what you envisioned?
Next question.
No answer.